How to easily save photos from Lightning Compact Camera, iPhone. Take a photo or use an existing photo. I'll be taking you photos using my example. After that, we remove the flash card. Remove the card reader with Lightning output for Apple devices. Attention to the lock, it must not be at the bottom. It's a must. Insert our card reader into the phone and find the Files application. In the main menu of the application, we see our flash card. Next, take all your photos and save them directly to the gallery. You have done well. You are doing a great job. All the best. Bye.